How would you succeed on the market when nearly 70% of traders fail miserably within first few months of trading and other 20% can be break-even for years in a row? Imagine what would happen if you could predict most of the market reversals without even looking on the charts. Sounds weird, doesn't it, my friend? But let me assure you, it is possible and it works. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders who want to learn more about the right timing when making trading decisions on entry and exit. In today's video, I'd like to share with you some of my thoughts on relation between Gann, Tesla, Excel and Numerology. I hope it will inspire you to make your own research which might improve your trading. So, is it time to go through it? Let's start the rock and roll. You probably already know that William Delbert Gann, better known as WD Gann, was a Mason, and as a Mason he had an access to some of Masonic secrets, where one of them was the numerology, a belief in the divine or mystical relationship between numbers and coinciding events. Have you ever heard that WD Gann was able to predict months in advance who the next president of the United States will be based on the candidate's name and surnames only? And you know what? He was mistaken only once when he didn't predict Franklin Delano Roosevelt's third term, but it was because of his personal political preferences. So what has inspired me to look deeper into this subject was some relationship I found between Gann's predictions of the market behavior and Nikola Tesla's famous 3, 6 and 9 numbers. And I wouldn't want to tell you to trade based on some numbers taken out of the time and space, but the results I achieved were out of my best expectations. It had just blown me up. And the results on the charts you might see over here, look at them. Look at all of them. So there is hit after hit. During the period between January 1st, 2020, which is here, and February 6th, 2021, which is here, it has given unbelievable accuracy of over 75%, my friend. And the exact number of hits is 34 hits out of 45 during 400 days, roughly. So let's go, though, through my thinking process to show you what inspired me to rediscover the ancient knowledge neglected by the science these days. But before I guide you my whole thinking process and show you step by step how it started, you don't have to, but if you want to find out in details how to forecast future tops and bottoms of the market, as I've shown in many of my videos, consider to get the details of my online one-to-one tutorial session over the Skype, where I teach the application of the square of 9 and teach all the details, as well as I give all the formulas related to it, the formulas hidden behind the secrets of the square of 9. As a bonus, I also reveal every detail of my numerological discovery, which I'll show you right now. My email address you'll find down below under this video in the description section. So I've got an Excel sheet in front of me, and let me show you how did I come to my discoveries related to numerology. So first of all, in this row is natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to whatever 49, I think. Oh, it's even more, up to 134. Okay. Here in the row number 4 over here, they're squares of the above numbers. As you see, square of 20 is 400, square of 25 is 625, square of 6 is 36, and so on. So over here in the next row, I've got the numerological value of each of these squares. And what happened? What I realized over here, that there's a series of numbers here where appear only 1, 4, 7, and 0, which is shown as 9 because this is made in the formula called moding. And here you got the formula, this moding of the cell D4, this one, and the moding is 9. So it shows exactly moding 9. 9 is here. So all zeros should be replaced by 9s, but I left it like that. So we got 4 numbers, 1, 4, 9, 7. And again, 7, 9, 4, 1, 9, 1, 4, 9, 7, and so on and so on. It repeats itself every 9 steps. They are similar. This is one here, another one is here, and so on. 27, all 9s are shown. So that is a cycle. But important thing, the number 1, 4, and 7. 9 and 0. 9 is equal to 0 according to Tesla's concept, and it's a divine number. 0 and 9, the alpha and the omega. So it's the beginning and the end, the divine number, 9. So other numbers are 1, 4, 7, and 1, 4, 7 all the time. It repeats wherever you go. So, in this way, I just took it and put it on the square of 9 as well. And that's the result. Into the square of 9, this time, I didn't put the natural numbers, but I put the squares of these numbers. Here are the squares, the square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, and so on, and is going progressively up to wherever, up to 6561, which is again square of, this is mode 360, next one. So here, this square is just, I was just trying what would it show, and it has shown moding all these numbers by 360. This is mode 360. This is mode of this value. This one is mode 360 of this value, and 289 is a mode 360 of 2809. They are similar. Look, it's only 0 here. It's very interesting. But the other way, it doesn't work like that. For 761, mode 360 gives 81. But here is the most important thing. Moding 9 again appears the numbers on the square of 9. So this square with moding 9 shows exactly these results. And over here I found some strong harmonics on the market. I repeat once again, it's given all these values in 2020, as well it's given the last bottom of 5th of February 2021, which was recently, a few days ago. Today we are on 12th February, and the market seems to give some signs of weakening of the swing. We'll see what's going to happen. But look, 34 out of 45, which predicted, and these, all of them, it's even predicted as well, the 10th of January and 19th March and 19th of March, 27th of March, 6th of April, 24th of April, 15th of April, and so on, where you see the gaps these are some missing dates over here, which were the missing dates. Here it has shown somewhere on the 2nd, so it was a miss, in my opinion, and many others. What inspired me to connect it to Tesla, when I started thinking about these numbers and tried to find a regularity as the cycles marked on blue, this one cycle, another 5-4, 5-4, like that. Here is another try, 1-4-7, 1-4-9-7, and 7-9-4-1-9. There's another kind of cycles, 4-on-5, and I think I found it. I found a harmony based on this one. Let me show you. So I found this kind of harmony. I divided the numbers. I've taken them from there and separated them in this way, and it has given some result. This is these 8 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 numbers, sorry. So all 9 numbers in one row, they repeat this way all time. We got the trines here, over here. We got the squares over here were 4, 9, 7, 7, 9, 4, 1. This is the symmetry axis, which is showing here. And the remaining 9, which is the last one, this remaining 9 is here. And the other 2 are symmetric, 1, 4, 9, 7, 1, 4, 9, 7. Then the other one is 7, 9, 4, 1. So there's the symmetry axis over here between them. And the number 9 at the very end is the control number, or the rest day, as it's been said in the Bible. The rest day was on day 7 as far as we know. But in my concept and the concept linked to the, as you see, I've written Tesla 369 because this is numerologically this 3. This is another 3. And altogether they give 9. So that's the general concept. That's the result of this, which shows pretty good regularity. And I think 75% is a very, very good starting point to analyze your trade. So I encourage you to make your own research. You don't have to follow my training sessions if you don't want to, but I strongly recommend you to analyze these numbers, to check them out, to see maybe you'll find the issue, maybe you'll find the way. Is it the sun? Is it the moon? Or whatever else? Maybe just enjoy these numbers, play with them. I hope this video helped you. Thanks very much for watching. There was a pleasure to share this knowledge with you. I'll see you next time, and bye-bye.